Welcome to HandiFox Online. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to count your inventory efficiently using both the web app and the mobile app. You'll learn how to create counting sessions, add items by scanning or manual entry, save and finalize counts, and print or delete sessions when needed. Let's get started. To start a new counting session, go to Inventory, Counting Sessions, then click the plus button. You can add items to your session in a few ways. Select them from a list, scan them directly using the Scan Barcode field, or combine both methods. Scan once to find the item, then edit its quantity. If you're managing up to 5,000 items, you can use the Show All Items option to display your full inventory. Simply scroll through and enter quantities for the items you've counted. For companies with up to 5,000 SKUs, there's also a Full Inventory Count option. If you need to count everything at a given site, turn on the Full Inventory Count toggle. This adds all items to your session and sets their quantities to 0, meaning if you skip an item, HandiFox assumes it's not in stock. For businesses with more than 5,000 items, the Show All Items and Full Inventory Count options won't be displayed. You can also change the inventory site using the drop-down menu. The reference number is generated automatically, but you can enter your own if needed. You'll also need to choose an expense account from QuickBooks Online. To save time, you can preset a default inventory adjustment account in Settings, Inventory. In most cases, this is inventory shrinkage, but if you're unsure, check with your bookkeeper. You can leave a note for your team in the memo field too. When you're done, click Save to record your progress. And don't worry, saving won't change your on-hand quantities just yet. By default, HandiFox requires that all new inventory counts, whether created in the web app or on a mobile device, are reviewed and approved by a manager before they take effect. If you're assigned the user role, you'll need to click Submit to Review instead of applying the session directly. If needed, this requirement can be turned off. Just go to Settings, Inventory, and disable the Manager Approval is Required option. When this setting is disabled, counting sessions will take effect immediately after you click Apply, without requiring manager approval. For this demo, we have Manager Approval enabled, and we'll finalize the current count as if a manager is completing the review. Return to Counting Sessions, open your session, and click Apply. As a manager or owner, you can review and apply multiple counting sessions at the same time. To do this, select one or more sessions using the checkboxes in the left column, then click Apply. You'll see all counted items displayed side by side, along with their previous and updated quantities. Review the changes, select the items you'd like to confirm, then click Apply to finalize. Once applied, the updated counts take effect immediately. On your mobile device, in this demo we're using an iPhone, open the app and go to Inventory, Inventory Counting, then tap the plus button. Here, you'll see a list of items ready to be counted. You can count items by scanning them with your phone's rear camera, typing quantities manually, or combining both methods. You can also add a reference number manually or let HandiFox generate it automatically, just like in the web app. If you need to pause and come back later, tap Options in the top right corner, then Save. To start over, tap Clear. For a full inventory count, tap Full Inventory Counting. This resets all quantities to 0, so you'll need to enter values for every item you still have in stock. When you're finished, tap Apply to finalize your count. After that, it's sent for manager approval in the web app. You can count from multiple devices across one warehouse and then send all those sessions for approval to the web app, perfect when you're counting several zones at once. If you need a hard copy of your results, open the web app, go to Inventory, Counting Sessions, open your session and click Print. On mobile, tap Options, Save and Print to generate your report. To delete a counting session in the web app, open Inventory, Counting Sessions, select the session, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, and choose Delete. Keep in mind that only users with manager or owner roles can delete sessions. Also note, sessions originally created in QuickBooks Online before connecting to HandiFox can't be deleted here. And that's it. You now know how to create, edit, review, and finalize inventory counts in HandiFox, whether you're working in the web app or on mobile.
To keep learning, check out our full onboarding playlist on YouTube or visit handifox.com for detailed guides and a free trial.